Hello, ignorant entrepreneur here. Etsy joins the S&P 500 while Tesla still left out. When it comes to the exclusive club of companies in the S&P 500, they can get quite choosy about who they let in. So for now, we have Etsy, the online marketplace for crafters, Teradyne, a company specializing in industrial automation and robotics, and Catalent, which develops pharmaceuticals, will also join the index. The three new additions replace H&R Block, Kohl's, and Coty, but investors were quickly disappointed when they saw a key company was noticeably missing. S&P Dow Jones Indices refrained from adding Tesla, the most valuable automaker on the planet, to the index. With a market cap of over $400 billion, Tesla is now worth more than Toyota, Disney, or Coca-Cola. Bullish investors have been waiting for weeks to see if the automaker would join the S&P 500, which largely contributed to its rally. But after the news broke, Tesla stock fell more than 7% in after-hours trading on the Friday before Labor Day weekend. In a nutshell, Tesla not getting added into the S&P 500 will be a head-scratcher to the bulls that viewed this as virtually a shoo-in given all the parameters that were met. The S&P index is one of the most important stock market indices. Considered a key benchmark tracking the success of America's largest publicly traded companies, it's weighted by market cap and its components are determined by what's known as the U.S. Index Committee, which generally rebalances the index quarterly. More than 11.2 trillion investments are indexed or benchmarked to its performance. Inclusion in the S&P 500 can often boost the stock, since it triggers more buying from large index funds. For example, Etsy shares rose 5% in after-hours trading. Now, why didn't they get included? Listen up, here it is. There are several reasons why I suspect Tesla was not included this week during the S&P 500 rebalancing announcements. Number one, Tesla's core business model is not profitable. Tesla generates a profit through the sale of EV tax credits to auto manufacturers. Number two, volatility. They do not want companies with the volatility of Tesla in the S&P 500. I believe Musk himself might even be a reason why they have not included Tesla. Make no mistake about it, his tweets and SEC violations are a risk. And lastly, perhaps most importantly, I believe the committee thinks that the current price reflects S&P inclusion. Now, why this matters is that the index will have to buy a large number of shares after its inclusion. This will drive the price up. If large funds and retail investors start selling for profits, the index becomes the bag holder. Now, this combined with my second point are the largest contributors. The committee likely sees Tesla as a bubble and is going to avoid adding it as long as they can. I believe they will eventually be pressured into adding Tesla as the S&P 500 is supposed to reflect the large market cap. They can only exclude one of the largest companies in the world for so long. What do you guys think? This is my little breakdown of why Tesla didn't get included into the S&P 500. We do see companies like Etsy. What are your guys' thoughts? What are you going to be looking to invest in over the next couple weeks? We did see this crash this past week, so index fear gauge rising. Like and subscribe. I'll keep you updated. See ya.